So this is what the kittens have been eating, along with the canned food by the same company. And it seems to be really helping them. Super happy. Microbiome support is one of the other factors helping them recover from the parvo, and this cat food has that. So super good if you're dealing with kittens that have gastrointestinal rough starts in life. This is a good cat food. This is the kitten containment area for overnight and during the day when we have to go out somewhere, so that they're not just terrorizing the whole house. Yeah. They have not figured out that they can jump out yet, which is a good thing, but it won't take long because they're getting bigger. Oh, the pitter-patter of little kitten feet. Yeah, I flipped my trampoline up so they would not bother it, but they're just into everything. And Barley is sleeping peacefully in his chair, and it's raining outside. Happy Sunday. Thought I'd just show you some kitten highlights. Can start to see the markings on velvet. He's got some really cool patterns in his black fur. And Marigold is like a pastel calico. So pretty. Pretty kitties. Well, the sun's coming out, but you can see out the window we've got a lake. Almost 3 inches of rain. Here's Barley's fresh grass, since there really isn't any out there in the desert. Oh, sweetheart. You are. Yeah. So many good places for kitties to nap. Yeah. Sure.